Hi everyone, in this video we will be looking at the very simple NOT gate, but how to make it from other gates. So first of all, let's draw out the NOT gate, also known as the inverter. A to Q. Truth table is pretty simple. When A is 1, Q is 0. When A is 0, Q is 1. Now let's look at the truth table for a NOR gate. NOR gate looks like this. Oh, that is a rubbish drawing. I'll draw that again. And its truth table looks like this. A, B, Q, 0, 0 is 1, 1, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 1, 0. Now let's look at the NAND gate. And the truth table for this is as follows. So A and B. Normally, when it's 0, 0, it would be 0, so now this is 0, 0, 1. The rest of them will give us 0. Oh, sorry, 1, 1. And then the A and B, will now give us 0. Now, let's say that A and B, the two inputs, were actually just A. We would go along A and A, and that means they would always be the same. So we can cross out this section on both, that is, A and A. We'll also call B A. We cross out this section here and this section here. As you can see, what is remaining is actually an inverter. Because when A is 0, Q is 1, A is 0, Q is 1. So we can use NAND gates and NOR gates connected to the same terminal to give us a NOT. Is equivalent to or